Hello, friends. Today we're going to be learning about indefinite pronouns. What are indefinite pronouns, you may be asking? Indefinite pronouns replace nouns that are not specific. So instead of saying Sally or instead of saying Joey, you would say everyone. You would say everything, everywhere, anything, anyone, anywhere. Let's learn more about these. Any. You can say anywhere, so it has to be a place. Anyone, a person, anything, a thing, like nouns. People, place, thing. Anything, anyone, anywhere. Same with every, everywhere, everyone, everything. Again, where is a place, one is a person, thing are things. Now, let's practice. Anyone, anywhere, anything. Did blank call you? Did anyone call you? Did anywhere call you? Or did anything call you? Did anyone call you because it's a person? Can we play soccer blank? Can we play soccer anyone? Can we play soccer anywhere? Can we play soccer anything? Anywhere. Can we play soccer anywhere? Today we will not do blank. Today we will not do anyone. Today we will not do anywhere. Today we will not do anything. Anything, because it is not talking about a person or a place, it's talking about a thing. Next is everyone, everywhere, everything. Every blank is going to go home, is ready to go home. Everyone is ready to go home. Everywhere is ready to go home, or everything is ready to go home. Everyone is ready to go home. Leaves are falling blank. Leaves are falling everyone. Leaves are falling everywhere, or leaves are falling everything. Everywhere, because it's a place. Leaves are falling all over the place. Felix knows blank about dinosaurs. Felix knows everyone about dinosaurs. Felix knows everywhere about dinosaurs, or Felix knows everything about dinosaurs. Felix knows everything about dinosaurs. All right, friends, I hope you learned a little about indefinite pronouns. Remember, they are pronouns to replace nouns that are not specific. There's not a proper thing for them. It's anything, everything, everywhere.